Today I have done a simple and basic login and sign up page using Firestore. First, let's look at the HTML file of login form. This is the HTML file. We begin with the basic HTML document structure. We can observe that in the header, we link to a CSS file login.css. Inside the body, we create a div with a background for our background styling, and we also use a center tag to center our content. Finally, we conclude a signup.js script of user JavaScript functionalities. Now, let's look at the login.css file. It is stored in public folder. Simple CSS file I have designed for login form. First of all, we start by resetting margins and padding and set the height of the body in HTML to 100%. And we also apply a gradient background animation that changes colors over 15 seconds. The background color centers the content both horizontally and vertically. We style the heading, form, inputs, and buttons for a cohesive look. Button hover effects are added for better user interaction. And we also write a basic code for sign up form. It is the basic code for sign up form, HTML code. Head tag contains meta information about the HTML document. And come to the body section. Body section contains the content of HTML document. We also designed CSS for sign up page. This is the basic CSS code. We also put animation for 15 seconds. Now let's move on to our JavaScript and server-side code in server.js file. This is the code. Here we set up Express. We define a port for our server to listen on. Middleware express.jsn middleware is used to pass JSON bodies from incoming request. Now look at Firestore setup. Open the Cloud Firestore in this. Go to the service accounts and create a key. We have to generate a key. This is the server.json file here. This is my server.json file which is generated by Cloud Firestore. Next, we require Firebase admin SDK and initiate it with our service account credentials. We set up a connection to Firestore. We define a post route sign up to handle form submissions. We validate the email and password fields. If valid, we add the user data to Firestore. We handle successful and error responses accordingly. Now, we start the server and log a message to indicate it's running. Now, I will run. Enter node. This is my login page and this is my sign up page. Now enter the email and password. Just click on login button.